a tree in which the seed oil is used for skincare products such as creams, lotions, and cosmetics. What an amazing tree this is! Introducing Bitaog, Calophyllum inophyllum of the family Calophyllaceae. It is also called tamano, oilnut, mustwood, beech calophyllum, or beauty leaf. The genus name Calophyllum is from the Greek words kalos meaning beautiful and phylon meaning leaf. This reflects the attractive foliage of the tree. The species name Inophyllum is from the Latin for fibrous leaves, referring to the close parallel secondary veins. Bitaog is found in East Africa, South Asia, Southeast Asia, Australia, and the Pacific Islands, usually on sandy beaches and coastal thickets. Bitaog, also known as Palomaria, is a very large semi-deciduous and slow-growing tree up to 25 meters tall and about 50 to 100 centimeters in diameter. Bole usually twisted or leaning with sticky yellow exudate. Oil from the seed is used for lighting purposes, soap making, and skincare products such as creams, lotions, and cosmetics. The dried fruits are used in floral decors. The timber is obtained in fairly large quantities and is suitable for construction, furniture, and cabinet works, cartwheel hubs, vessels, musical instruments, canoes, and boats. Various parts of this plant have traditional medicinal uses. Oils can also be used to treat skin infections and rheumatism. Juice is purgative, bark is used for internal bleeding and as an astringent. Milky latex from leaves is diluted with water and applied to irritated eyes. Gum is emetic and purgative. Its bark can be used for rheumatism and as an astringent. Juice and gum extracts have purgative properties. The oil from the seeds is highly valued for perfumery and therapeutic oil. Bitaog is planted for backyard planting and large gardens, such as hedging, ornamental, roadside, and coastal trees. Bitaog, located in Magallanes, Agusan del Norte, was declared one of the Philippines centennial trees. It is approximately 500 years old with a diameter of 290 centimeters. It is claimed to be the oldest tree in the Philippines. This tree was the haven for millions of fireflies and served as a beacon light for fishermen at night. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.